Hello. In this video, we will learn how to use the drill down feature in Power BI. As you can see on my screen, I'm using this dummy dashboard called Opportunity Analysis. And let's say I'm interested in looking at the revenue by region and state. So on this visual on my left-hand side, I select on that visual and then I click on this down arrow, which basically will tell you it's called click to turn on drill down. So make sure this is enabled. So click on it. And then let's say we want to explore the regions with top revenues in East. So click on the East and it will filter and give me the regions with top revenue in the East. So New York, Georgia, North Carolina, etc. Similarly, you can do the same thing with the regions on the West. Just click on it and it will filter the regions on the West. One more point, you can also see the region gets filtered in the map. So now you can only see the regions in the West. So that's how you would use the drill down feature. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.